Welcome to today's lesson. It's Julia from Violin Inspiration here, and today we are going to learn to play Happy Birthday. This version is perfect for beginners. I arranged it to be super easy. There's a slow version and a faster version, so you can choose which version you prefer. And of course, this song is always a hit for someone's special day. So whether you are going to surprise a family member, a friend or a loved one, I'm sure that this is going to make them smile. Good luck practicing. Great job! If you reached the end of this video, it probably means you've learned how to play Happy Birthday. Congratulations! Please let me know in the comments how you're doing and on whose birthday you are going to play this song. Also let me know if you have any requests for other pieces, and subscribe to this channel for more fun violin lessons. Happy practicing and see you in the next video!